No. No. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki. So for today's video, as you guys can tell by the title already, I am going to be trying out a new straightening product, and this one is from Tymo. And Tymo was kind enough to send me this straightening comb, so thank you Tymo for sponsoring this video. Yes, this is a sponsored video, but you guys will see with the results whether this is worth it or not. So yeah, this is what the straightening comb looks like. I'm so excited to try it because it kind of reminds me of like a hot comb, but you know, just a bit different. I'm wondering if this is going to be like my replacement for the comb chase method that I usually use. So yeah, in the box, this is what the box looks like. This is what you get, and in the box it comes with a little like tangle teaser, like a little brush type of thing, and it also comes with some clips, and it also comes with a glove so that you don't burn yourself. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this because you know, I don't really need it. Just so you guys know, if you are from like the UK or anywhere other than the US, you will need an adapter, and I'll leave like a link down below for this so you can actually use the product. I'll leave all the links and everything down in this description bar below. I do have a coupon code so you guys can get 25% off, and I will be giving away one of these straighteners as well, so stay tuned to find out how you can win one of these straightening combs. So I've already blow dried my hair, as you guys can see. I'll leave all the products that I've used somewhere over here. This goes up to 410 degrees, and I'm going to use it on the highest setting because it says that if you have like curly, wavy, natural hair type of thing, then you should probably use the highest setting. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so it should be hot enough now. I'm going to go in small sections because that's basically what I would do if I was to straighten my hair with a regular straightener. Okay, so I'm gonna comb this out, see how this goes. Yeah, here I go. I'm super scared. I'm gonna come in close for the first one so you guys can see, and I'm scared. Slowly. This is proper getting my hair straight. Okay, hold on. Slowly. No. This is not fake. Like, no, look. Okay, I was scared to go to my root, but I think I'm going to go to my root because I feel like it's not going to hurt me. But let me try again. Just like, oh my god. This got my hair like silky straight, like my silk press. No. Guys, can you see the movement? No, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I didn't have high expectations for this because I don't know. I just didn't think, because my hair's proper kinky in it, so I need a lot of help when it comes to straightening my hair. I love finding new things to use. I'm gonna split this in half because, you know, if you got kinky hair, you know you gotta split your hair. Go in. If I do this, yeah, and nah, I'm gonna be using this instead of my straighteners. What? And the thing is, my hair doesn't even feel hot. That's why I was like, I'm not gonna use the glove, but my hair does not feel hot. Like, normally my hand burns after I've done it, but what? So all I've done is like 2 passes. I'm wondering how will I you know, like curve it. I definitely need a trim, but this is what my hair is looking like. You guys can see there's movement. So now my hair looks like that instead of the ugly dead ends. I'm so dumb. I just forgot that I need to use this. I was like, oh, my hair's nice, but it's not shining. So I'm gonna put this on. Okay, so half of my hair is done. This is what it's looking like. I am so impressed with it. Like, it's got so much body. Like, it's not super flat to my head, even though it kind of is at the top. But can you guys see my roots? This, I don't even get this with my regular straightening routine. So yeah, I'll come back when I'm done with this side. I'll show you guys how I got it super flat at the top. But yeah, this is how my hair is looking. I like the body, I'm not even gonna lie. It's so nice. I'm just gonna do my other side and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. But look at the difference. This is my natural hair, blow dried. If you guys can see smoke, it's the straighteners. But yeah, this is my hair, natural hair, blow dried. This is what it looks like. This is the straightened part. Hey guys, so this is how my hair is looking so far. As you guys can tell, there's a clear difference between this side and that side, and this side is sleeker because I actually know what I'm doing. And then we got this side, it's sleek too, don't get me wrong, but you know, it could be better. So I'm going to show you guys the technique that I've been doing to get my hair super straight. Okay, so what I've been doing is I section my hair, and it doesn't even have to be a small section because this side I've been getting a bit lazy, so I've been doing bigger sections. So get my comb, make sure I comb it through thoroughly, and I go under first, and I get my roots like 2 times, just like how you do with the chase method. So I get my roots 2 times, and then I go super slow. Because this is a big section, I'm just gonna go a bit slower. And then I'm gonna go one more time. And then I quickly touch the top like this, just so it can get flat, and then it gets super flat like that. So 1, 2, and then get it flat. And then look how flat my roots are. Can you see? So this is how my hair is looking. I'm just gonna comb it quick. So yeah, this is how my hair is looking. This is my ends. I've trimmed everything. Everything is nice and, you know, done. You guys can see the results. Like, you see the results. Do you see them? This is what my hair is looking like right now. This is the back. The back of my hair. Okay guys, so this is the results of me using my Tymo straightener. I love it so much. Like, I don't really need to say much about it. It's amazing. If you guys see smoke, it's just the remaining pieces of my hair that's left on the comb. But yeah, you guys tell me what you think down below. This is how my hair is looking. My hair looks super thick and it's got body, like stiff wear. Yeah, but I just love this. I will be using this again. Like, instead of doing the chase method, if I want to have like the bumped ends, then I'll just go in with my other straightener. But this is a look. I really like this look. My hair looks very, 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 very healthy. Tell me what you guys think down below. Thank you so much, Tymo, for sponsoring today's video and gifting me this straightener. Make sure you guys enter the giveaway. I'll leave all the details down below, and use my coupon code NICKY25 for 25% off your purchase. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.